everyone, it's MJ. Welcome to my channel called Planning This Life, where we talk pens, planners, productivity, journaling stickers. Today, I've got a treat from the Coffee Monsters Co. Stay tuned and let's have some fun. All right, so I am a part of the subscription program over at the Coffee Monster. So every 3 months, I get a little sticker bundle. It's kind of like one of those treats that you set up for yourself that you don't realize that it's actually coming to get delivered. And then, surprise, you've got sticker mail. So, of course, that brightens my day, and I want to share that all with you. So let's go over to my desk and check out what this month has. Okay, everyone, so let's get to what's in the envelope. I will link the Coffee Monsters website down below. Always a fantastic rabbit hole to go down regarding stickers, washi tape, all of that stuff. So this is their subscription program. And this is actually just stickers. So I think there are 3 different tiers. I think Helen's going to change it for next year, but it's 3 different tiers, and you get a nice little packet every 3 months per quarter, and it's just something to brighten your day. And I love how she has this quote on the back: "Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud" by Maya Angelou. Just lovely. All right, so let's see. This month it was packed by Mandy. Oh, keep learning. I love this. So these are journaling stickers. These are stickers for your journals, whether it be Hobonichi or a different brand. Maybe this is a back to school theme, I'm thinking. Perhaps, maybe. Oh, I see one already that I love. Okay, so let's see. We have a vinyl sticker, which says "Keep Learning." We have symbol buttons. This is for 2025, quarter 3. I'll try and keep all of these in frame. Oh, we have the card this month. I love this, which the lecture is potatoes. Potatoes is an inside thing over at the Coffee Monsters. If you use the code POTATOPACK, no spaces, just put all that in, apply it as a code at checkout, you will get a discount. I want to say it's 10%, but it might be more. Love that. And this is what comes in all of the different packages. So I'm in the snail mail. So we have the large science doodles, confused emojis, paper writing process, school notes, symbol buttons, and 1 vinyl sticker and a card. And then you can see what else is in there. Okay, so we have that. Here's the stickers. These are the science doodles. I love the little Einstein. Oh, I love that. I'm not a science and math person, but I do appreciate some theories, and I do like geeking out over some of that stuff. So, confused emojis. Aww. These are just different emotions to put in your planner. Hitting a wall. Oh. Paper writing process. Oh. I need this for my story writing process. Draft. Finally done. Love it. And then we have school notes. Very cool. And these you could use just like little post-it notes and put them in your journal. Love that. And that is the sticker pack for quarter 3. Can you believe we're in quarter 3, 2025? My goodness. Wow. Well, we're going to be. Amazing. Great stuff. Love it, love it, love it. Love the back to school. Just fantastic. So I will be using these in my journal, and I will be putting them in my binder, which has all of my Coffee Monster stickers kind of categorized and kind of not. But yeah, it'll be in here. Love it. Always a treat to get sticker mail. All right, I will turn it back over to myself. Thank you for watching. All right, everyone. Well, that was a lot of fun. I don't know about you, but I love this time of year for back to school office supplies. And it's amazing that so many of you are just like me. So I will leave all of the information for the Coffee Monsters code down below in the description box. Not affiliated, not sponsored. I treat myself to this every 3 months. So if this is something that you want to add to your sticker repertoire, I would. All right, I hope you are all doing well. Make sure that you are taking care of yourselves so you can take care of others, and I will see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, everyone, goodbye for now, and keep journaling.